I'm in a junkie's ass trying to move them coke stones, and you ain't never cut O's, bro. So please, you got no dough. I don't care if you got the most flows, cause everything I write, that's show. You run with the po-po, but them things I don't condone.
My name's Joseph, but I'm not your average show though. I will murk your whole team on a solo, cause I'm massive in the game, you're a midget in the game. I'm like Pizza Hut and you're like Pizza Go. Me wife up, oh, that's a no-no. I never give no girl my last Rolo. Skeng daddy still getting thoughts on my girl, going up and down on the X-Man like a yo-yo. Forget that I'm stepped up, take a photo. Blue t-shirt with a Superman logo. Man, now I'm still in the bid, so when they see me, they say, wild one, show, fun traffic, I don't go slow. I just come off a 2-year ban, I do the Batis, 9-point turn in front of the popo. Red light, but I still go though.
Don't need the Oscar, don't need a Grammy. H on the circuit, come let's rally. Heard about the high-tech machine, man, I carry. I'll tell the man them, we got the galley. Don't need the Oscar and don't need a Grammy. Can't see my face cause I roll with a pally. Man get shanked up left in the alley. I'll tell the man them, we got the galley. Call me gangster for life, swear, I'll kill a man for a price. Boy better know, H ain't nice. Spray out the place and I won't think twice like, who's murking again? Back on the road, yeah, working again. No MySpace thing, out with a friend like, man wanna hear my tune to the end, what? I am the champion, pass me the trophy. Don't act stupid like you don't know me. Yeah, when I wake up, the man got cozy. Try sound like H on a low key, but can't take with my title. Dark shades, raincoat, go with a rifle. It's so obvious I must be an idol. You're just a waste man, can't be my rival. What does this MC think? Check my style and try make a drink. Use my name and try get a link. Shot at your face before you could blink. See, I'm way too gully. Man, take my tune home, sit down, study. You try to take man's money. I try this man and don't say sorry.
Still see me, I go forward. Rap like free, I'm Jamie. Don't want say ME, I'll do what I want, I'm free. Wiley's my brethren, he's got an album. Gave it to me for free. Put it in my PC, track 16. When it got to free, I got my lyric book started buzzing. Rhythm set my mind free. I'm writing a lot, unlikely to stop. Look at the clock, blood, it's free. Gonna write more, that's what I'm here for. Give it to you lot for free. I'm an angel, I cut the devil in half. I cut him down to free. I made a tune called Serious, and it's about not having a tutu. Cause I'm individual, not cause I'm scared like a girl in a tutu. I should've won the Grand Nobel Peace Award, like Desmond Tutu. See, I stayed in school, got my degree. Even if I get a tutu, I've done it, time waits for no one. See, this year, I was 2-2. My dad wants me to do a master's, and my mum wants me to. They want me to do everything, I bet they want me to climb Timbuktu too. But I'm just gonna do music until 2002 too. Ooh. There we go. Yes. Meridian show. Yeah. Hang tight, Westwood, cause he's dropping them nicely. Yeah.